Durham Geo Slope Indicators technology was founded in the 1950s when we invented the inclinometer. Also referred to as DGSI, we provide the full range of geotechnical, structural, materials testing, and environmental instrumentation and have been a trusted industry supplier for over 60 years. Our instruments have been used successfully on many of the world's largest projects, helping engineers manage risk and safety on complex civil engineering, mining, and energy projects. DGSI's products are designed and manufactured here in our own USA facilities by a dedicated team of engineers and technicians, ensuring highest quality and reliability. With our broad range of distributors in over 50 countries, DGSI's technical sales staff can provide all your equipment needs and can also expedite customized equipment for unique requirements. And our tech support staff is always standing by for real-time help and support. DGSI is your sole source provider of products and expertise for civil engineering, mining, and energy. Our state-of-the-art equipment enables you to properly manage risk and safety across all your operations. Contact us today to learn more about how DGSI equipment can help you in your development projects.